got worried about you for a second.
Huh?
I got worried about you for a second.
Now look what I've done.
Dylan.
Are you out?
Yeah.
Here, I'll get you another pot.
Empty.
Checking on you guys. How'd you make it?
We're here at Point H, looking at the zone. What are the winds doing on that side?
Looks like primarily west. We are getting a little bit of southwest and northwest.